What's going on, y'all? Nick here, Mr. Millionaire Insight. What's going on with you? So I just want to take a couple seconds out of your day. You can go back to scrolling if you want to, but for a quick second, just want to ask you something. Could you make some extra money? I mean, if you really consider it, there's no such thing as extra money. But hey, if you got an extra $300 per day, would that make a difference in your income? I mean, I'm just asking, right? If I were to show you a way that you could literally spend maybe 2 hours a day kind of posting ads on social media, or when I say post ads, I mean like post little videos or whatever on social media, or post a little text post or something like that. Could that make a difference in your life? If you could do simply those little things that we can definitely show you, that we can guide you through, and you can actually have a blueprint to make some extra money, that extra $200 to $300 a day, $350 a day, would that make a difference to you? If that's something that would interest you, take a second right now and click on the link below and make sure that you get the information, and we can get you that proven blueprint that can get you daily pay using your cell phone or your laptop. All right, click the link. What you waiting on? Click the link.